Now to a story out of Lindsay and Catherine, where TVJ's Krista Campbell highlights the struggles of a single mother of 9 being evicted from a dilapidated structure she calls home. The story raises the issues of extreme poverty, childbearing, the effectiveness of the PATH program, as well as children not attending school.
It's never easy making it as a single mother with 1 child and a steady income. Try adding 7 children, unemployment and eviction to the list, and you have the story of 40-year-old Natalie Hutchinson, a mother desperate for help for herself and her family.
Well, I have 9 children. Don't live nowhere. Live with my baby father and his family them around him. And he said I must come out and play. I don't have nothing.
A 1-bedroom at the back of this house in the community of Victoria in Lindsay and Catherine has been home to the single mother and her 7 younger children, ages 16, 12, 11, 9, 7, 3 and 2 years old. Over time, uninvited and potentially dangerous guests have also taken up residence. Danger too from above and beneath, though it's not a far fall to the cellar. The bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, appliances, furniture or lack thereof leave much to be desired. And when it rains, a bath pan takes up already limited sleeping space.
Bed with my daughter asleep on, and one girl give her a cardboard we put on it.
No electricity, so the family depends on a kerosene lamp. Food is another challenge.
If we eat today, probably eat tomorrow. We don't have your wife to eat. One time I half a bread or 1 bread.
So she is for your family?
And she drink Lasco, so my time no Lasco, she not drink sugar. We just buy 1 Coca-Cola. That's it.
That's her youngest child, who Miss Hutchinson says has not even been able to go for her developmental checkup since she turned 2 on February 19.
Because shoes make she not go clean, because she not no shoes. She not go 2 years work clean, but you not no shoes, so we go 2 years clean. So I'm not saying I can't go no clean. You have clothes, but you can't find nothing to put on your foot.
But the single mother says she has been trying whatever she can to get by. She says the councillor for the Treadways Division, Sydney Rose, helps by giving her work with his business to help deliver gas.
Every truck come, he may give me $1,500 to pack them up. When we tied up a place, he may pay $1,000 or $1,500. Out of a bicycle shop there, so I make me living for my picnic. People help me send them to school, I then do it without. I'm not going to school.
And that's what the oldest child living with her has been doing since she got accepted to a high school for children with learning challenges over 16 miles away in Spanish Town. The other kids, she says, don't always attend school, as only her 7-year-old son is currently getting help from the PATH program. The Social Security Ministry says Ms. Hutchinson needs to contact its offices to reapply for state assistance. The ministry also adds that the woman and her 2 older children have been getting money from the state. The Lindsay Community Development Committee, CDC, says it's also helping.
We have come up with clothes for her and a little food, and we'll be asking the Food for the Poor for assistance. We have kids in Lindsay school who is direct in need of help, because one is being prepped this month and another one next year. So she has no money to pay for these children to go into the institution that they may ask for.
The CDC's welfare chairman explained why it took the committee so long to help.
She gets pregnant like every year, so there's supposed to be a man around. After we start investigating, we found out that she's been promised and it never come true, and she keep having kids after kids. And this is where she reached. Yes, we will be insisting that she will be calling the health, the Ministry of Health, to see if they could help her under some circumstances in order to prevent her from having baby number 10.
Meanwhile, with the 2 older children, an 18-year-old boy currently in lockup and a 22-year-old daughter with 2 children, 6 and 1-year-old, Councillor for the Lindsay Division, Herbert Garrix, is appealing for urgent multi-state agency intervention for the family. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.